Hello, lovely people. Welcome once again to Abinasia's Recipes. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I share with you how I make my authentic Ghana Banku. Let's get started. I have 4 cups of fermented corn dough and 2 cups of cassava dough. And I've added water to my blender, and I'm adding half of my dough to the blender and I blend. So this is the first batch. It is done blending and I'm transferring it into a pot and I'm blending the second batch. If your blender is big enough, you can blend everything together. We'll then add about a tablespoon of salt and then over to our stove. I'm using a wooden spatula to mix my banku. And what I'll be doing is I will continue mixing it until it thickens up. That is the authentic way of making Ghana Banku. And you want to continuously stir it. If you leave it, it will turn into lumps. And when the lumps cook, it will be very hard to get it all broken into smooth texture. My mixture is coming together as a dough. So what I'm doing is I am pressing my banku onto the walls of my pot, or I'm pressing it on my pot. So we use this motion to mix the banku into a smooth texture. I'm using aluminum pot to mix my banku. This type of aluminum pot has a handle. So my left hand is holding the handle to keep the pot still, and my right hand is holding the wooden spatula to mix the banku. I'm doing this also on a high heat, and you want to make sure that you continue mixing it onto this motion until your banku is very well mixed into a smooth texture. Blending your banku also gives your banku a very nice smooth texture. It is optional to blend. You could have easily mixed your cassava dough and your fermented corn dough. As you can see, I am pressing the banku on the walls of my pot. To hold your wooden spatula to make your banku, you can hold it straight up, just like this, or you can hold it sideways whilst the top of your wooden spatula is leaning on your elbow. The elbow way, it's easier and it's more comfortable than holding it straight up. So you can choose whichever way is comfortable for you guys. Yes, and look at the smooth texture of my banku. It is coming together very well. And I'll be pairing my banku with my okra stew. So I like my banku pretty soft. I'll add about 2 cups of water to my banku. And then I will use my wooden spatula to poke holes in the banku. That helps the banku cook very well. The water and the steam cooks the banku to perfection. All right, and then I'll use a plastic spoon to clean the side and side of my pot and also my wooden spatula. And then we cover to let it cook for about 5 minutes. At this point, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, like, and comment. Hit that notification so anytime I upload, you will be notified. God bless you for doing that. It's been about 5 minutes, and I'll use my wooden spatula to carefully mix my banku together into a dough. I am using the same motion to mix my banku on the walls of my pot, just like that. The banku looks like it's almost done. And yes, so you want to continuously mix the banku until it is cooked. And the banku looks pretty cooked already, guys. And always make sure you have a plastic spoon or a spoon handy to scrape the side and side of your pot. And don't forget a bowl of water as well. Yes, so we mix our banku for 5 more minutes and our banku will be ready to serve. The texture is beautiful. The texture is just perfect and just the way I like it. All right, so my banku is done, guys. And I am ready to scoop it out and wrap it all up. Yes. All right, so I'm using a 1 cup measure to scoop my banku. So each banku that I scoop is 1 cup. And then I'm using a plastic wrap. If you have this type of plastic wrap at home, just put your banku in the middle of the plastic wrap. Bring the left and right side and side together. And then you bring together the other side. And then you twist and turn. Yes, just like that. Okay, so I'll go ahead and repeat that step again. The banku in the middle of the wrap, of the cellophane wrap or your plastic wrap. Just like that. And then you bring together the top and the bottom. Just like that. It holds it very well. And then you twist and turn, twist and turn. All right, guys, so I'm ready to serve my banku, and I served my banku with okra stew. All right, guys, and this is how a typical banku is eaten. You can also have it with tilapia, which I'll be sharing the recipe very soon. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for your support. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification so anytime I upload, you'll be notified. Thank you. God bless you. And please stay safe. Bye-bye.